To achieve high quality color change on any car, you have to do door jambs, and that's what we are going to do here today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special car and we have a very difficult job. Not everybody can do it, and not a lot of people actually will do it. 2024 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG. Customer decided to do gloss black. Now for you to complete perfect color change, you have to do your door jambs. There's a high risk of damaging panels, pieces, doors. We're gonna remove both doors today. So first thing, what do? You pry this little piece out of here. Gotta be very careful. Pry the back first, and then you get to the front. Once you remove this, you got T25. I'm sorry, what is this? This is T15, sorry. For you to get this piece out, it basically comes out diagonally like this. So kind of apply a little bit of force coming out like that, and now it comes out. But this cable, a little pressure, get it out. There you go. That was pretty easy. Once you get to this point, we got two T30 screws. Get to them, like so. Now we need to get behind the panel. Just FYI, it's really tight. So as soon as you get one out, everything else comes out pretty easily. Like that. There you go. The last one. Alright, and this is how you get the door panel out. So the next thing, we need to mask this fender. A lot of times, whenever you're going to be removing any of these doors, there's a very high probability that you're going to chip the paint. I don't want to have no issues with chipped paint, so make sure you tape these corners and edges. Alright, once we masked everything, we're going to come around here, and there's going to be 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. But before all of this, we're going to disconnect that door. Little latch, try to pull that down from both sides. Like that. All right, one more thing to pay attention to is that you don't want this to be swinging around because you're going to scratch the paint. Now I'm going to hold this back and I'm going to tape it up. Better be safe than sorry. Like so. So now I can dangle around a little bit, not much, but still it's not going against the paint. Alright, so next we're gonna get these out. And we're ready to take this door out. This is how you remove the door off a 2024 Mercedes-Benz S63. All right, so we finished with the front door, working on the rear door right now, and as you see, the whole inside of the body, door jambs, everything is completed at this point. Car came out absolutely insane. Let's remove a couple of pieces here. There you go. I'll show you how it come out. Come on.